We are looking at a nice lot of letterheads that range in date from about 1873 up through the first 3 decades of the 20th century. You'll notice this one is shoe nails and small nails and tacks with a very nice custom design. Taunton, Massachusetts, 1873. This is got another nail and tack works here, and is 1895. Then we've got this one, Window Shades, 1886, Broadway, New York. And we've got an eagle banner as a logo. Then we've got this Keystone Stove Foundry in Spring City, Pennsylvania, 1904 it looks to be. Oh no, 07, that's a 7, okay. And here's one from Edinburgh, Scotland, with a British stamp used as a revenue stamp, it appears, or yes, I think so. From 1912, nice decorative pianoforte music letterhead there. And here's one from 1907, Reading, Pennsylvania, rifles, guns, and sporting goods. Here is a furnace company, and it's 1907 in Pennsylvania. Ephrata, it looks like. And here's Cambridge, Massachusetts, Polish from 1914 with nice little company designed products. And here is, looks to be an insulation or a battery type, yes, batteries, right? And this is 1925, rubber stamps. And here we have 1929, Broadway, New York, a merchant in infants and children's coats and dresses. Then we've got this furniture from Kansas City, Missouri, with 2 beautiful, detailed miniature views of the factory buildings. And the final one is this with a splendid look at that operation. My goodness, 4 giant buildings. And this is 1915, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And so this lot of American commercial letterheads is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.